Namaste, this is Harshita from Prana Superfoods. Today we are going to make a kheer out of fresh mahua flowers. You could also use the dried version of these, which looks something like this. To make this kheer, you need fresh mahua flowers. We will remove this part, the top end, from all of these so that we get rid of this. The other ingredients needed are ghee. We are using brown sugar instead of normal sugar. You can totally skip it because mahua is already high in its natural sugar content. Full fat milk, you can replace it with any nut milk. Then there are some dry fruits, some green cardamom, a pinch of salt, mahua has turned a nice shade of brown. Now we're going to throw the same with the dried mahua flowers. Make sure you have clean mahua. If you have access to it, wonderful. If you don't, you can also buy it from our website. Next, in the same pan, we add